How to sell clothes on TikTok shop. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can sell clothes on TikTok shop. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on TikTok shop, you could also use my affiliate link below in the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is TikTok shop, it is an e-commerce feature of the video hosting service TikTok, in which it enables users to upload and sell their products directly on TikTok, allowing consumers to discover and purchase these products without leaving the application. And now, after sign up or create your account on TikTok shop, you will be directed on this page, in which it will show you on the left side panel some of the options we have here: homepage, products, orders, shipping, and many more. But to start adding a product or selling clothes, for example, just proceed by clicking these products on the left side panel. Then you will be able to be directed in here, in which it will show you the list of your products on your shop. Here all live, inactive, reviewing, suspended, draft, and deleted. And to add your new product, just click this add new product button on the top right corner. Then it will show you below here all of the information and data that you need, starting the basic information. From here, all you need to do is simply enter here your product image. You could also upload from the media file of this TikTok shop when you already sync your cloud storage in here. Or alternatively, you could also directly upload the media files or image by clicking this local file button right here. And after uploading the media file, all you need to do is wait for it to be uploaded in here. And as you can see in here, we have now successfully added our product image, which is this stripe polo in here. But you could also upload many photos depending on your preferences, including a secondary photo, different angle, in-use, variations, and many more. And after that, below, just enter here under the product name the name of this product. So for instance, I'm going to enter here this product name, which is stripe men's polo. And after that, we can now proceed by going on the next step, which is this category. However, the product name that we enter is less than 25 characters, since it has need to have 25 characters or more. But if you want some help, you could also go to this AI generated product description, in which you could also enter here your product name, in which it will automatically create your own description based on the product name that you enter in here. And after that, just click this generate button, in which it will show you below here the suggested product description in here. And it says here that this product contains classic design, comfortable fit, and versatile style. Now at this point, to add more context under this product name, I'm going to enter here the color, which is brown, beige, and also white in combination. And after that, we can now move on under this category, in which all we need to do is to simply select here the category of our product. We have here pet supplies, toys, food and beverages, and many more. Or you could also specifically search for those product or category if you want to. As you can see, I just enter here men's. And below here, you will see here the keyword result of men's. But at this point, I'm just going to select this one, for example, menswear and underwear, men's suits, and sets. And after that, from here under this brand, just select your brands that you prefer in here. Or you could also search for a specific brand if you want to, such as Shein, Zara, H&M, and many more. However, you should have a proof of authorization in order to use those brands. So at this point, you could also change this depending on the given in here, or the other brands. Now moving on under these product attributes, all you need to do is simply fill out including the season. We have here spring, summer, fall. But since the polo is for summer, I'm going to select summer. And also choose the care instruction in here. We have here hand wash, dry clean, do not wash, do not dry clean, and many more. And also enter here or select the quantity per pack. Now moving on to sleeve length, I'm going to choose short sleeve. While for clothing length, you could also choose either short, medium, or 3/4 length. Now moving on under this inseam length, I'm going to enter here above the knee. Then proceed by clicking add button below here to proceed. And now for the material, I'm going to select this polyester. While for the pattern, I'm going to select this stripe. And now for the sleeve type, for instance, I'm going to select this cuff sleeve. Now moving on under size type, from here I'm going to select regular. While for design, I'm going to choose here the split type of design. And after filling out all of the required information, we can now proceed by going to this product details. And as you can see, I just use this AI to create our own product description in here. But you could also generate depending on the keyword that you entered here. And by clicking keep, it will automatically add as your product description in here. And now for the size chart, you could also use template if you want to by simply filling out this create size chart, including the size chart name, options such as the top length, trouser length, chest, hips, waist, size conversion type, one size, note, and many more. Or alternatively, aside from this manual kind of creating a size chart, you could also upload an image if you want to in here. By simply choosing this upload image button, we can now proceed by simply uploading our image. You can choose either to upload an image from your media files or from media center of this TikTok shop. So as you can see, I just searched on Google the size chart for Apollo, and I'm going to save this image. And after saving it, I'm going to upload it in here under this size chart. By clicking this local file, I'm going to choose to upload the image that I just downloaded from Google. So now after successfully uploading the image, we have now here our size chart. But you could also upload a video if you want to. Now moving on from here, aside from that, under the sales information, you could also enable variations if there are different kind of variations of this product. Now under this price and stock, just enter here your retail price. Also, the number of quantity available or the inventory available of this product. And enter here your SKU. But at this point, I'm just going to enter here our random numbers. Moving on to shipping, you could also enter here the weight of your products in terms of grams unit. Then below under this product dimensions, just enter here the height of the product, the width, and also the length in centimeter unit, which is also helpful for other customer who also want or looking for their specific sizes of the product they want to buy. Now moving on under this delivery options, we have here default and custom. But in those options, I'm going to choose this custom and choosing this is standard shipping, wherein the shipping fee amounting to 65 pesos. And as you can see, I also turn on this cash on delivery for other user or customer who prepared the cash on delivery as payment option. And now to proceed, if you're now done, just click the submit for a B button on the top right corner and click the submit in here. And after that, we have now see here that we have now successful add our first product on this TikTok shop. So basically, if you click this all, you should see here all of your products that you just successfully add in here. And all you need to do is wait for it to load or refresh this page if you want to. Moving on, as you can see in here, you could also add a product in bulk auction or bulk listing or even in batch depending on your preferences, which is also helpful for less hassle. Aside from that, you could also navigate on the left side panel, this order section. From here, you could also manage your orders and track some of the orders of your customer in here. You will see here all of the order that is to ship, completed, pending, and cancelled. Now moving on, you could also navigate this app section or app and services on the left side panel, wherein you could also install some other application such as for dropshipping. If you're trying to dropship on this platform, you could also install some of this application in here. But overall, that is just basically how you can sell clothes on TikTok shop. Thank you.